Welcome to Health and Wellness with a new video. This video is related to how to get rid of skin wrinkles quickly and naturally. Wrinkles can be a frustrating problem, but don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will share with you some easy and effective home remedies that can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your skin. First up, aloe vera. Aloe vera has natural moisturizing properties that help to hydrate and nourish the skin. Simply apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to your skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week, and you will notice a visible improvement in the texture of your skin. Next up, lemon and honey. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, which helps to boost collagen production, while honey has natural antioxidant properties that help to repair skin damage. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey and apply it to your face, leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat this process once a week for best results. How to use cucumber slices for wrinkles. Cucumber slices are another great home remedy for wrinkles. They contain silica, which helps to improve the elasticity of the skin. Simply cut a fresh cucumber into slices and place them over your face, leaving them on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Lastly, green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help to fight free radicals, which can cause skin damage and wrinkles. Simply brew a cup of green tea, let it cool down, and apply it to your face using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process once a week for best results. And that's it. By following these simple home remedies, you can reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your skin quickly and naturally. So go ahead and give them a try, and let us know in the comments below which one worked best for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like video and hit bell icon for latest updates.